Welcome back to Ortho Implants for Life, your one-stop channel to learn about orthopedic implant industry. Today, we'll walk through the operating procedure for the femur neck system. So let's jump in the video. First, let's discuss the 130mm angle guide. It's crucial that this guide is securely attached to the bone. If the angle is off, the plate won't align properly. Once the angle guide is in place, we'll pass the guide wire through. After that, we can remove the angle guide and check if the wire is centered. For this, we'll use a correction guide, which serves two purposes. It helps us centralize in the lateral view, and then we'll rotate it parallel to achieve the appropriate anteroposterior view. We have multiple options to place guide wires using the correction guide like this. Next, we'll use the depth gauge to measure accurately. We'll pass the gauge through and take note of the measurement. After we've confirmed it, we'll remove the depth gauge and set the measurement in the barrel triple reamer. Using the guide wire, we can ensure the reaming is done correctly. This step is vital for the plate to set properly. If not done right, the plate won't set correctly. Now that we've removed the barrel, we'll take the femur neck blade measuring 105mm. We have the option of using a one-hole blade or a two-hole blade depending on the surgeon's preference. For proper setting, we'll need to insert the instruments correctly. We'll use two specific tools, the aiming arm and the inserter. We will have to slide the inserter in and then lock the entire thread here. Like this. Make sure to locate option B on both instruments and pass through to lock them in place. Once the implants are locked, we will also lock the entire thread here to secure the implants. As we rotate this locking system of the inserter, it pushes the implants forward, as we are demonstrating here. The guide wire should already be set. We'll now pass it through the knob and remove the guide wire. I'll demonstrate how to do this using the femur neck screw, which will go through the designated hole. The blade size is 105mm, matching the size of the femur neck screw. So we will set the drill measurement at 105mm as well, and as we drill, you'll see it reaches the end of the implants, meaning it is set correctly. Once drilled, we'll take the femur neck screw of 105mm and we'll take the star-headed torque limit screwdriver, attach the screw. If you can see these threads here on the screw, this will lock with the femur neck plate. Now let's lock it. It will lock with a click sound. Until then, we keep tightening it. After this, we remove the screwdriver. we have opted for a 2-hole plate. Here in the aiming arm, there are 2 options here. First, we'll insert the screw in the 1-hole option. So we protection sleeve in the aiming arm followed by a drill sleeve. Then we take the drill bit and drill through the sleeve. Remove the drill bit and take a depth gauge to measure the drill depth. Before you do that, make sure you remove the drill sleeve as well. Moving forward, we'll need to ensure our measurement shows 40 mm as we proceed. We'll take the screw and fit it into the screwdriver, following the same procedure we've outlined. For the compression phase, we'll be using a multifunctional rod to lock the femur neck screw. I'll demonstrate how to achieve compression. Remember, the part for compression operates anti-clockwise, while clockwise is for locking. Once we've completed the compression, we'll remove the multifunctional rod, detach the head knob, and slide the plate away. Lastly, we will need an end cap. Ranging from 6 to 16 mm, the doctor will check the compression and decide which cap to fit and lock it securely.
If you have enjoyed the video, like it, share it. If you are new to our channel, subscribe it. Hit the bell icon to get the notifications for our upcoming videos. If you have any queries, comment below and we will surely reply back. If you want to know more about career prospects in orthopedic implant industry and wish to start a career in orthopedic implant industry, please click the link below in the description box and DM us to know more. Thank you and see you in our next video.